taxes are keeping your pockets empty, and you may not even be conscious of it. In fact, do you know how much you're currently paying in taxes? Most people don't. Well, here's how you can get an idea. Think about your household budget. What are your biggest expenses when you sit down at your kitchen table to pay your bills every month? For most people, those biggest expenses are your housing costs, food, transportation, and health care. Each one of those is a large expense, and when you add them together, it makes up a vast majority of most people's budget. But guess what? Taxes are costing you more than your housing and your food, plus transportation and your health care, all combined. Taxes are costing you a fortune. In fact, by far the biggest expense for your household is actually taxes. That's why your pockets may always seem to be empty. The good news is that you can do something about that, though. The biggest of all tax breaks in America belong to those of us who run a home-based business. Why is that? Because the more home-based businesses in America, the more stable our economy. So to encourage the growth of home-based businesses, Congress has approved some huge tax deductions specifically and only for home-based business owners. How much can you save in taxes? Well, for the average employed American taxpayer, home-based business tax deductions alone, in most cases, can slash your taxes by 30%, 40%, even 50%. Yes, home business tax deductions alone can sometimes slash your total income tax bill in half. Congress made it easy to qualify for these big tax breaks. Congress said any taxpayer who runs a legitimate home-based business, either on a part-time or full-time basis, needs to meet only two requirements. The first one is to run your business on a regular and consistent basis. As little as 3 to 4 hours a week will qualify you. The second requirement is even easier. Have an intent to make a profit. Be trying to make a profit. You don't even have to be making a profit in order to qualify for the tax breaks. So just those two things. And what happens when you meet those two requirements? Just about any average taxpayer can qualify to put $3,500 to $6,000 extra cash in your pocket per year beginning this year. Well, where does that money come from? It comes in the form of new additional tax refunds. And the best news is you do not have to wait till April 15th to collect those new additional refunds. You can collect a portion of that new additional refund every month beginning this month. And the average increase in take-home pay is about $300 to $500 a month just in the tax savings. That's $300 to $500 extra cash in your pocket every single month. But only if you have a home-based business. Every taxpayer without a home-based business loses out on all these tax deductions, period. And that's the money just in the tax savings alone. That $300 to $500 a month does not even count the money you'll be making in the home-based business itself. That's an additional income. In fact, $300 to $500 new money each month is more than enough to pay for all the costs of running your home-based business. So what's that mean? It means that the money you earn in the home-based business itself is all pure profit. How's that? Because Uncle Sam will have already paid for your business operating costs for you. Until now, nobody's ever told you specifics about the huge tax breaks available only to home-based business owners. Until now, that hidden information has been costing you at least $3,500 a year every year in overpaid taxes. In fact, right now, not knowing about the home business tax breaks or not having a home-based business at all is costing you at least $5,000 this year. It's costing you at least $500 this month. It's costing you over $100 this week, and it's already cost you an extra $20 today. Now, when you join me in this business, I promise that America's #1 home business tax expert will show you exactly what new tax breaks you can qualify for, exactly how to qualify for each one of them, exactly how to collect part of your refunds every month, and exactly how to keep bulletproof records in less than 2 minutes a day. That's my promise to you. So our promise is that we guarantee that you will learn all of that, learn it quickly, learn it from the #1 tax guru himself when you choose to join us in this home-based business. Well, now you know the secret. The secret to getting Uncle Sam to actually pay you to run your own home-based business. For more information about special home business tax deductions, please visit homebusinesstaxsavings.com. homebusinesstaxsavings.com, but do not do that until after you've launched your own home-based business. Home business tax deductions do not apply to anyone without a home-based business. Join your home-based business today, then go to homebusinesstaxsavings.com and learn how to begin slashing your taxes beginning tomorrow.